This book makes some great connections to our animal research. It's called Tooling Around Crafty Creatures and the Tools They Use by Ellen Jackson and illustrated by Renee Benoit.
Those blackface are those animals are monkeys.
Oh, let's find out. Tools help us everywhere, on the earth and in the air. Sowing, mowing, baling hay. People use them every day. Now and then you'll see a few animals who use tools too. Among scientists, there is no exact definition of a tool, but many scientists who study animal tool use define a tool as an object that an animal uses to accomplish a goal. Animals have been observed using tools to achieve objectives, such as obtaining food, attracting mates, protecting themselves, or concealing nests. Finches with a cactus spine dig for bugs on which to dine. Woodpecker finches use cactus spines or twigs to dig grubs out of holes. They've also been observed scraping branches with pieces of tree bark in their search for hidden insects. Hungry chimps have quite a trick catching termites with a stick.
Those animals actually are monkeys.
They are chimpanzees. Yeah, chimpanzees insert sticks, straw, or long blades of grass into termite mounds. The termites cling to the inserted object. Then the chimpanzee pulls the insects out of the mound and enjoys a tasty termite meal.
It's starting to get cold.
It is getting a little cold. Otters on an ocean swell use a rock to crack a shell. A sea otter gathers a rock from the ocean floor. Back at the surface, the otter places the rock on its chest and smashes a clam, abalone, or other shellfish against it until the shell opens. Then the otter dines on the mollusk found inside. Crows that bend a piece of wire learn to snag what they desire. Betty, a New Caledonian crow living in a laboratory, was observed bending a piece of wire into a hook, then using the hook to retrieve a piece of meat from a tube. Wild New Caledonian crows also make hooks out of forked twigs, which they further bend with their beak. Here's a deer who's quite well dressed, wearing grass to look his best. Male red deer smear their antlers with mud or grass to appear bigger and fiercer to other males and more attractive to females. Bowerbirds who want a mate build and paint to decorate. A male bowerbird builds a structure or bower to attract a female. Some types of bowerbirds, like the Vogelkop, shown here, decorate with flowers and acorns. Others, like the satin and regent bowerbirds, coat a piece of bark or a twig with charcoal or fruit pulp and paint the walls of the bower. Flies that want to mate and live bring a gourmet gift to give. A male empid fly presents a female fly with an insect wrapped in a cocoon. This gift not only entices the female to mate, but it also prevents the female from eating the male once the mating is complete. Dolphins choose a cone-shaped sponge, wrap their beaks, then fish and lunge. Some bottlenose dolphins wrap their beak in a marine sponge, either to protect the sensitive part of their body or to help them uncover buried fish on the sandy ocean floor. Octopuses like to hide in a shell. They're safe inside. Veined octopuses have been observed carrying large coconut shells with their tentacles. These octopuses find coconut shells that have been thrown into the ocean by humans. They use the shells as a protective hiding place when they stop to rest in an exposed area. Elephants of mighty size swing a branch to swat some flies. Yes.
Elephant.
Yes, elephants strip leaves from branches. They use the stripped branches to swat flies or other insects that bite them. When a baby squirrel's at stake, mom kicks sand to scare a snake. Rock squirrels build their nests in underground burrows. When a rock squirrel sees a rattlesnake, it defends its pups. The squirrel darts forward and kicks sand and rocks at the snake's head. Animals must do their best to find a mate or hide a nest when a human, bird, or beast needs protection or a feast. When there is a task to do, tools will help us see it through.